X lookup in Microsoft Office Excel. In this video, I would like share to you 1. What's X lookup function? 2. How to use X lookup function. X lookup in Microsoft Office Excel is a function to find things in a table or range by row. You can look in one column for a search term and return a result from the same row in another column, regardless of which side the return column is on. 2. How to use X lookup function. This is an example. I have a student list, and I want to look up data to counseling sheet. In the processing, if the student have any issues, I just record date and time. Next, I select any beneficiary ID, and student information will show auto. Okay, I use X lookup function in this example. Now, I select and remove function from cells. Next, select all cell of student's ID. Click Data and Data Validation. Choose List and select all ID from student list sheets. Okay, the student ID show in cell. Next, I look up student name. First, click on cell and type X lookup. After, look up value. In this point, I need to click on the first student ID and comma. Next, turn to student list sheets and all select student ID. After, comma and all select the student name because I want to show name of student. Next, comma, and type 0 and close parentheses, and press Enter key. Okay, this is the outcome of X lookup function. For gender, I just copy the function the moment. And I paste on this cell. After, I need to change the column to show gender result. Double-click on Option dropdown and press Enter. Okay, I copy again and to show school result. And change from sex to school. Okay. The result match with student ID. After, class and status is the same lookup. If, have a student problem again, I record data and time, and after select the ID. I choose the same ID. Now the information using X lookup is showing on cells. Okay, now I'm back to the sheets. I saw that this ID is matched with student name. Now, change the ID to other student. And I turn to student list. This ID is matched too. Okay, I express you that why use X lookup in this exercise. Check on the student list sheets. Because the ID column standing on the second column, that I can't use VLOOKUP function. Okay, with XLOOKUP function is done. ICT share.